I feel a roly-poly.
He ate his eye up.
It's just been the same thing.
The eye.
It's going for his eye.
Wait.
That is still moving.
Oh yeah, I don't think you get away from a praying
No,
mantis.
I'm sorry.
I'm so close. This is
Why
weird.
isn't he eating it? Like,
There's something very...
the cicada's flapping his wings.
Oh, whoa.
I blew that.
Oh my gosh, it's like it's gonna fly away with it.
I would. Don't go down with that.
Cicada, go. Come on, praying mantis.
I'm betting on the Oh, there we go. Whoa!
No, it's not the cicada.
You don't get away from a praying mantis.
Wait, who wants to bet on
You're
this?
filming it.
I'm betting on the praying mantis.
I'm betting on the praying mantis. Wait, I think it's over.
It's dead.
No, it's not. I just saw the leg move.
Yeah, the leg's moving. See, it's like pushing it away. It's whacking the...
Come on. You're going to end up eating this. Is this like a cannibalism or something?
Cicada, you can do it.
Because I feel like it is.
Stomping on it. He's just killing it.
Can I touch this?
No.
No, why?
Let's leave him alone. He's
Did it eat the eye?
It's eating it.
Lunch.
The cicada's still moving.
Yeah, no, but it's slow and painful.
That must be really painful right now.
Stop trying.
Stop trying. You're all already gonna do.
I wish it would just kill it and then get it done with.
That's not what praying mantises do.
Is it dead?
do it.
What?
I think it's dead. No, it's alive.
It's still moving.
It's eating its eye, though.
But his wings are infected.
No, but it's like...
Just nature. The praying mantis has to eat.
Wait, no, it's still buzzing.
I'm going for the praying mantis.
You can stop filming. Thanks, Sam.
No.